Welcome to online class student. Today we are going to start a new chapter with a new diversity to discover our incredible India. Right. Chapter 6 Discover the diversity of India. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the features of India, right? The 28 state with 9 union territories, India has some unique features. Right. Let us discover incredible India in all diversity. Every state, every city, every town, and every village has its own unique dress, design, art, craft. Now, in this chapter, we are going to identify the state, okay, with the picture, with the help of picture, which is given to us, and you will also learn about the dances, food, art and craft, dresses, about that particular state, right? So let's start. First, Rajasthan, one of the best place, I can say historical best place. Dance, Ghumar and Kalbelia. Food, dal bati churma, gate, ghevar. Art and craft, carpet, dari, blue pottery. Dresses, pagdi, angrakha, ghagra and choli. All these are features of Rajasthan. So we can say one of the incredible India we can see in the picture of Rajasthan. Kerala, dances, Kathakali, Tiruvathira and Kolkali, food, idiyappam with curry, appam with stew, and paripu curry, which mean I think in their languages is dal curry. Art and craft, coconut shell, handicraft, and Kathakali paper mask, dresses, mundu and mundam deatham. What a beautiful sight you can see in a picture of Kerala, right? Wow, what a picture. Dances of Madhya Pradesh, matki and badhai. Then food, jalebi, poha, bhutte ka kees, which means it made of corn and milk. That's why it's called bhutte ka kees. Art and craft, stone carving, handmade dolls and bamboo work. Dresses, dhoti, lehenga, choli with odhani. It's a feature of Madhya Pradesh, we can say. Diversity of Madhya Pradesh. Assam. I just want to tell you the fact which is written in a book about Assam, that Majoli Island, located on a Brahmaputra river in Assam, features in the Guinness World Record of being the largest river island in the world. What I said, Majoli Island, located on a Brahmaputra river in Assam, feature in the Guinness World Record for being the largest river island in the world. So let's just take a look about their diversity and about their dances, art and craft, dresses, food. Food like khar, masoor, tangy fish curry, aloo pitika, and o khatta. Dances, bihu, oja pali, satriya, art and craft, cane and bamboo. Dresses, dhoti and gamcha, and mekla chador. You can go to Google and search about their dresses. Their dresses were so pretty. They wear a off-white sari with a red bindi. They look so good, so beautiful. Come to next. This one is our last of this chapter about Punjab, right? Food, सरसों का साग. We all know the सरसों का साग, मक्की की रोटी, लस्सी, छोले भटूरे, and amritsari kulcha. In all over the world, all over the India, we know somewhere Punjabi food is very interesting, very delicious, very spicy, you know. So one of the diversity which we like most, the 28 states, all states love the North Indian food, which includes सरसों का साग, मक्के की रोटी, लस्सी, छोले भटूरे and अमृतसरी कुलचा. So come to dresses: Patiala salwar, fulkari, Punjabi ghagra, and prandi. One of the I can say fulkari and prandi. They are they are given by their culture. When you see that fulkari, you will come to know about the craft, about the handmade stitching of their Punjabi women. Okay. Next, here we can see art and craft, Punjabi jutti. Like we all girls love this. When you search for it, Punjabi jutti, we come to know what is it. Mud work, woodwork, and pranda. Dances, bhangra and gidda. Bhangra and gidda. So this is the diversity of Punjab. We know about the cuisine, dress, art, craft of some of 5 states. Think about 28 states. They all having their uh, beautiful dress, cuisine, art and craft, right? Every town, every city, there's lot of things we can explore it, right? Okay, thank you, students.